Welcome to our channel. If you want to use your iPhone as a Roku remote, follow this quick guide to control your streaming device with your smartphone. Step 1. Ensure both your iPhone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open the App Store on your iPhone and search for the official Roku app. Step 3. Download and install the free Roku app on your device. Step 4. Open the Roku app and sign in with your Roku account credentials. Step 5. The app will automatically search for Roku devices on your network. Tap on your device when it appears. Step 6. Enter the code shown on your TV screen if prompted to pair your iPhone with your Roku. Step 7. Once connected, you'll see the remote control interface with navigation buttons, volume controls, and a keyboard. Step 8. Use the virtual remote just like your physical Roku remote and take advantage of special features like voice search and the keyboard for easier text input when searching for shows or entering passwords. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.